Welcome to Colibri. In this video, we're going to walk you through the basics of creating content. Let's get started. This is the Colibri editor. The basic controls are conveniently located in the toolbar at the top. The settings button allows the author to specify the look and feel, functionality, and tracking behavior of the module. There are buttons to add, edit, and delete pages, search the text and URLs in the module, preview a page, and of course, save your work. First off, let's add a few pages to the default unit. You can drag pages to reorder them, or drag them into the dotted outline box to create a new unit. You can also select multiple pages at once using shift-click or by drawing a box around the pages. Lastly, if you'd like to reuse a page design, or even bring in a page from another course, you can cut, copy, and paste pages using the keyboard. To edit a page, select the page and click the Edit button, or double-click the page. Pages default to including a title and a text component. To edit the content, just select the text and start typing. If you would like to format the text component, simply select the text and a formatting toolbar will appear. To make your page pop with graphics, rich media, or downloadable files, just drag a file from your desktop into the page view. This will create an asset component. These components contain outside files that you want to include in the module. Colibri supports many types of files, including graphics and rich media, which appear in line. PDF, zip, or Microsoft Office files are presented as a button which will download the file or open the file in a new window, depending on your browser. To rearrange your page, use the menu bar at the bottom of the page view. The first 5 buttons will allow you to add, edit, delete, and reorder components. Simply click on the component to select it, or use the Windows key, or for Mac users, the Command key, to select more than one component at a time. If you edit a text component, you'll see a panel with options for that component. For example, the raw content allows experienced users to customize their content by entering HTML code directly. Below that are a number of display options, which allow you to size and position the component, highlight a callout, or transform the component into a group, slideshow, toggle, or flip tile displays. If a component is a group, toggle, or flip tile, use the label field to customize the control text. If you edit an asset component, you'll see the URL in the file field. You can change the asset by entering a different URL or by dragging a new file directly into this field. Images have an optional description field. Audio and video assets also have fields for a poster image and caption file. Zip files have an expand button, which will open the zip file so that the contents will appear in line. The palette button will open the Components panel. This panel contains a list of components on the page. You can see this page contains a number of text and asset components. From here, you can cut, copy, and paste components using the keyboard. The small buttons below the list mirror the buttons on the page toolbar. When you're done editing a page, the X and checkmark buttons at the bottom right allow you to cancel or save your edits. Our module had the default color scheme and logo. To get different colors or branding for your module, open the Settings panel and select a different option from the Palette menu. To add a Home button to the top bar of your module, select a page from the Home menu. Or to get rid of all the controls in the top bar, you can set the layout to minimal. As you can see from the other options in the Settings panel, Colibri has many more features, including rich interactions and coaching, branching content, and workflow support. These are covered later in this module. However, at this point, you've learned the basics you need to begin creating your own content. So feel free to jump right in and begin experimenting with Colibri.